Alright guys, I actually literally, as I'm holding this camera, just got back from Florida. I filmed the video you're about to watch before I left, but I left and came back and now I'm here. I just want to let you guys know, if you missed last video, the Eco Diesel is up for a giveaway. It's coming with a jet ski and a $7,500 Zenith watch. If you missed that info, yes, the Eco Diesel, a jet ski, and a watch can all be yours. 15 times entries are live at the moment. Head over to the website, pick anything up. Every dollar right now is 15 entries to win that truck. You'll get both titles, you'll get the watch, you'll get the keys, and the truck will be yours. So you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, but I just left 90-degree weather, if you can't tell by my face, and the Pit Viper tan. And it's like 60 degrees here and rainy, so I'm gonna go inside, get some rest. You guys sit back and enjoy. All right guys, so we just tried to pull everything in here, get it all tucked away, and we're like, man, this truck is hard to turn. Well, after some like Google search, which the forums are incredible, but that's why I'm extending the forums to you guys. Ram 1500s. I guess 2500s not so much because of the gearbox. But Rams with the electric power steering. This is apparently a common thing. This on top of your battery here is a fuse. This is a 250 amp fuse. This is a 125 amp fuse. Well, apparently this commonly after time just gives out, and that's what happened. So we took this off, and then look at that. This is the only way I could determine that it is blown. This bottom casing came out free and easy, actually. I picked this up and this just kind of fell. So as you can see, this is the fuse. This is where it burnt up, 125 amp. It's a common thing on these Ram 1500s. And I just want to extend that to you guys. So if some of you get in a jam like this, before you go spend $400 on a rack or something, we just kind of straight piped it straight to here. And then the steering just absolutely okay again. So I'm going to get one of these fuses coming. Easy replacement. It's like 17 bucks. Do not go to the dealer, because apparently this fuse from the dealer is like 150 bucks. Or you can go to like AutoZone and get a fuse, or Amazon or whatever, and get it for like 15. So that was also all over the forum. So I'm just extending this to you after I did my research. I'm giving you guys the research because I know a lot of you do have Ram 1500s out there. But I just want to tell you guys that as I lose that. But yeah, this little 125 amp fuse, front post of the battery. Because I knew also on the forums, I was like sitting there, I'm like, what the hell do you mean fuse coming off the battery? And I was like, these little black boxes here have to be fuses. So I took it off, wiped off some of the you know, dust and dirt off this thing. It says 125 amp. This guy right here, so replace that, and our steering will be good.
Go crazy. Yeah, go crazy. Got pick twice a day, my type of 2 a day. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got new shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was 2 of me. And I'm like, if I'm not doing the real deal, I've been up and down Pharaoh. Pharaoh, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at this since a church. Work. Tell little baby, make it twerk. Twerk. Go crazy. Go crazy. Bro, pass me the rock. I've been moving out the box. Top speed going top. 101 going pop. Getting hot. In the paint, never flop. At the rim like who? Get the crown like Braun. Make it some and I'm spending some. What's the plan? Bet I get it done. It's me, yeah, neighborhood. It's me, yeah, give me some. Wifey icy, yeah, freeze up. New friends, I don't need them. Checks coming by the spins. Kids eating up in the lunch. If I'm not doing the real deal, I've been up and down Pharaoh. Pharaoh, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at this since a church. Work. Tell little baby, make it twerk. Twerk.
really matter.
It's so black.
It's actually not bad, like 50-50. Yeah, whatever. I can't. If you want me to give you a shot, I can give you a shot, right? Or you can just, you know. It's Tuesday. I don't think you want to know what we're doing, but yeah. I'm powder coating my windshield wipers.
I low-key want to go to an Usher concert.
I would love to go to an Usher concert. Don't ask me again.
Justin Timberlake concert that I went to, best one I've ever been to.
Drake and Future was the best concert I've ever been to, hands down.
I wouldn't be opposed if you just left it like that.
I know. Jesus. I'm just like amazed. That looks so ridiculous. Oh, I love this drop. Fake booze. Ooh, that needs a hella lot of more red on the front of this wiper. Like, it's hella spotty. Alright guys, so I hope you're enjoying the variety of content being thrown at you right now. Painted some accent pieces, fins and antennas for my buddy's truck. Painted the 5th gen tails on my other buddy's truck. Those are actually getting painted blue in the morning, blue streak pearl, to match the kind of setup I have on my yellow truck. So we're gonna keep doing those in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. They're gonna look sharp, they're gonna look like the yellow ones, but a beautiful blue streak pearl. Now we're actually gonna heat up Mike's headlights, cut those open. I think, honestly, we may end up color matching that whole truck in this video, possibly. And we got his grill sanded. We may shoot that. He doesn't know if he's getting another grill or not, but we're gonna do that. We were gonna get the dually all torn down today, but we gotta make some room in here to do that, which we will. What else, really quick? We powder coated my windshield wipers. Yes, we powder coated my windshield wipers. Now with that, two things. They came out absolutely nuts. They came out sick. We're heating this thing up because I just got back from Florida in 90-degree weather, and now it's like 52, 1, 50, 49. Freezing in Ohio. But anyway, but look at this. This wiper is freaking fresh. Look at that lollipop red up in here. Ooh, baby. Next thing in this instance, I want to show you this because that's what actually was going to be the next part of this video, because in the last video you guys saw, I did a red bed liner in the banana ram. Now, to be honest, that looks pretty darn good. In direct sunlight though, the thing almost looks pink. But the tailgate is always this deep red. But I want to show you this. Before I scratch the tailgate here, let's use the other hand. What I was actually going to do in this video is get a quart of Delmonico red paint. As you can see right in this area, I actually shot it with the Ford Torador red metallic I painted the Tahoe's front emblem with to make that custom. I just kind of shot it over here. I know I needed to add more or completely change this bed liner color anyway. The walls are actually kind of thin bed liner wise, so we're gonna correct that no matter what. You can still see some black through it, so we were gonna shoot that again anyway. However, the other thing was that kind of up there looks very not deep red maroonish. However, the color of this tailgate, freaking fresh. And this is my point of this video. When I didn't think it matched the bed liner, here is lollipop red on the bed liner. am I the only one seeing this? But I don't know about you. There we go. I don't know about you guys, but to me, that almost blends in. Obviously it's a wiper, but look at that. That is almost the color we need. Now, like I said, this, I put this on heavy because I had like a whole can, one little container of Raptor left. As you can see, it's fully hardened now too. Listen. Oh yeah, you ain't getting that out of any roll-on. You are not, absolutely not. Look at that, obviously stays red too, but I was thinking that this always looked the red I wanted. And there's your lollipop red. As you can see, it's like, I don't know guys. It almost looks brighter right here. And in the shade, it looks that same color red. So, the other half of this video, I was about to go to the paint store and pick up a quart of Delmonico paint. So I don't know if I want to do that or just shoot more of that GM red in this bed, make it thicker around all the walls, go over where I shot the red paint in here, and just keep it the same color, because this is pretty freaking close here. And that's actually blowing my mind, because looking at it from atop the truck, comparing it to what's under the truck, it almost looks like two different reds. But when they're next to each other, it's pretty sharp. Now from this angle, you kind of get a little bit more maroon out of this. So I don't know. That's what, it's just such a tough decision here. We'll probably make that in the morning, but it does look maroon, but indirect light, because it's that translucent like lollipop red, you're getting this color red out of it. And I think I just need to add more of it down there. Yeah, look at this, guys. That almost blends in. Like from here, you can almost like, So we may just leave the GM red. I know I said I was going to change it, but we may leave this GM pull me over red and just make it thicker in all those areas. And I think that might be all we need. So I'm pretty impressed. I just want to show you guys this because we actually had a loose powder coated part next to the bed now, because this is the color I was trying to achieve, was to match the lollipop red. And I think look at that. I think I accidentally did it. It just, I couldn't, you know, compare it because everything is under the truck. So I think if I just slam on a couple more layers of bed liner, I think we might be okay. So you guys have seen me paint 2 sets of the Alpha Rex headlights now. I'd go pretty low on that. So we're gonna do this style now. We're gonna heat them up like 225 for like 10 minutes.
I 100% just put that in backwards.
Nice. Anyway, we're gonna heat that up like 225 for like 10 minutes. We're gonna split them open and get them ready for tomorrow, because we're gonna blow up our paint booth, and we're probably gonna try and tackle bumpers, grill, headlights. He got a new set of tail lights and the mirrors. So I think we're gonna do all of that in this video, or as much of it as we can. I need some more plastic flex primer. I think we're gonna do his valence too, but I need some more plastic flex primer on that, because obviously the plastic flexes, and if you just sprayed it, that will just crack and come off eventually. So you need flexible primer. So it's hard to, it's almost like plastic dip, but 2K hardener, all that stuff. Crazy technology. But yeah, guys, looking at this, I may just have to leave this bed this color and just shoot it on heavier, the GM red. So I do have 2 loose bottles of Tinnable Raptor at home. The purple Silverado, if you guys remember that, I put the purple liner in there. It took like 6 bottles to do that, so I have 2 extra. So I might just bring those 2, load them up, heavy coat all the walls with 1 bottle, dust the floor again with the 2nd bottle. This is probably a-okay, and then call it a day there, because that's honestly all I think we got to do, seeing this like right here. And this has been drying while I was in Florida and all that. I think we're good to go, guys, and I think we're gonna leave it this color. It is obnoxious whenever you guys see this thing in person. I'm sorry, but you guys are gonna be like, oh, whoa. And that's exactly what I saw. Every time I walk past this thing, I'm like, yo, what is that? But honestly, it's just sweet, guys. Look at that. It's just so freaking bizarre. You can't not love it. You absolutely can't not. I don't know. It's a thing. Here's the thing. Reroute, you've never seen this anywhere. So it's hard to even wrap my mind around. So that's why it's such a tough decision, but I think she's gonna sit the way she is. I'll add some more of the GM red, make it thicker, and we'll be good. Lighter colors, if you don't do it right, they get all f***ed up. Or this blue is so see-through and pearl.
I do have a drip here. There's a drip, you can see it.
That'll f***ing show through. The drip will. Well, damn, all of this maybe, I don't know. It'll probably, maybe if I lay it hot enough, I mean like and heavy enough.
Is that smooth?
What?
Is that smooth?
No.
Zach, what you're saying?
Here we are. We're the three best. God damn it. I already, what, did you touch that by chance?
The chip spot, yeah.
That's fine. Oh, bitch.
Huh.
Hey.
know that they love that messed up, jaded soul that keeps on moving along. Hey girl, look at what you got cooking. Need another beat for all these lonely people. They don't need a resolution, they just need a little music. Hey girl, look at what you got cooking. Need another beat for all these lonely people. They don't need a resolution, they just need a little music. Can you play another song for me now? Yeah, I wanna feel music take me off the ground. Hey girl, looking what you got cooking. Need another beat for all these lonely people. They don't need a resolution, they just need a little music. Hey girl, look at what you got cooking. Need another beat for all these lonely people. They don't need a resolution, they just need a little music.
Alright guys, I don't know where we're at, where we've been. I don't even know what's in this video at this point. I've been, what time is it? It is 8:39 p.m., which means I think I've officially been here at the shop for like 24 hours straight. Now y'all looking at us like crazy. But right now we're ripping apart the dually like I promised in this video. We're also almost fully done color matching mics. Mega cab, we're almost fully done doing that. Honestly guys, we're out here cooking and I've been here for 24 hours and I've been up for almost, well that's 7 to 7 would be 24 and 7 to another 7 would be an extra 12. So we're at 36 and by the time I get home even, we'll probably be up for 48 hours straight. But you know, for some reason I am still cooking. I'm still cooking. I scanned the yellow truck earlier with my buddy Zach's scan tool for the airbag light. I think I didn't plug in the the one behind the glove box, so I might get in there, plug that in. And I think he may actually pick this thing up, take it to his shop, and he's got an awesome audio dude, and he's just gonna run through it and test everything out because we're busy finishing all these trucks. I think he's gonna run through it and fix whatever audio is going on in there, and have that ready for the long 7-hour or so drive to Tennessee we're making next week for Music City Showdown. I know, new show, everybody, whatever. I know it's a new show, stuff like that, but Alpha Rex asked me to be in their booth, and I said, of course. And the banana will be in Music City next week. So if you're there, come on out, say hi. Can't miss me. I'll probably be walking around in exactly this. So come out, say hi. Don't be shy. And let's have a good time, y'all. And in the meantime, let's get back. Let's get back to fully color matching this. Here's the front bumper done. We had to throw it on here because we're out of room, but man, that looks good. I know a lot of you are gonna be like, oh, the color's off. It's just literally the angle. But there you go. There y'all are for the ones who don't ever trust me and the camera, but there we are. So let's get back in there, bust the rest of the, ooh, that's nice. This is nice. Oh, the lights killed the vibe. Killed the vibe 100%. Regardless, guys, let's get back inside, knock this thing out, and almost get this dually done. I don't know. Let's just do it. One more shot, cause, woo.